Hello, respectable audience. My question is 6 divided by 2 times 1 plus 2. Look at the parentheses. 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. So 3 times 2 will be equal to 6. And here is 6. 6 divided by this percent is 6. 6 divided by 6 will be equal to 1. But remember that 1 is not our correct answer. So, first of all, according to Pindas, we have to solve parentheses. So this is parentheses 6 divided by 2, and parentheses have 1 plus 2, which is equal to 3. Now, Himtas told us that if multiplication and division are in the same question, we have to move from left to right. Mean, multiplication will not be solved first. So we have to divide first. 6 divided by 2 will be equal to 3 times 3. And 3 times 3 will be equal to 9. So 9 will be our correct answer. Thank you for watching, liking, and subscribing my channel.